Greetings everyone, in this video, I am going to show you 5 simple things you can do as a student to earn money. Before I start, I would like to say that there are plenty of opportunities out there for you, as a student, can earn money from, such as working part-time at a restaurant. These steps that I am going to show you will not guarantee you will be the next richest boy or girl on the planet, but, at least you will have some extra cash for yourself to spend on. So, let's get into it. Step 1, sell your notes. Selling your notes to other students in your school who is studying on the same subjects is a great way for you to start earning money. You can perhaps start by compiling all the important points of a certain topic, or maybe create study notes by summarizing the whole chapter of a topic. This is a great way for you and the students you are selling your notes to, as you, the seller, will also gain benefit from creating those study notes. During the process of making those notes, you will also learn whatever the topic is about. A bonus tip for you, you can also publish and sell your study notes to students across the country who is also studying the same field as you. From there, you can perhaps gain more money from a broader audience. Step 2, make and sell goods. If you can make handicrafts, or even friendship bands, it can also be a great way for you to start selling them to your friends, neighbors, or even online. Any products that comes to your mind, start doing them. Step 3, clean your house. As a student, during the holidays when you have the time, clean your house, do the house chores, mow the lawn, and earn extra allowance from your parents. You can benefit a lot from this, as it also teaches you a valuable lesson on productivity and being a good kid that you are. Step 4, hold a daycare. This may seem off, but it is also another opportunity for you to start earning money. It is also one of the most profitable ways. While you are on holidays and the adults are still going to work, start offering yourself to your neighbors or relatives to babysit their kids as a start. You may ask your parents for help to refer you to their friends who have kids. Step 5, stream your gameplay. Step 5 is basically earning money from streaming your favorite game on available streaming websites online. Instead of just playing your game to pass the time, why not earn money doing it? You can earn money by contributions and donations from your viewers. Look up online for tips on how to start a streaming channel for yourself. So, with these simple steps, you can have a few ideas on your mind on which to pick, and pursue it. Leave a comment, like and subscribe for more videos.